Have you ever wondered why trucks sprinkle salt on roads during winter? It's a common sight in many cold regions, but the reason behind it is quite interesting. It seems like a simple question, but the answer is rooted in science. Specifically, it lies in the fascinating world of chemistry. Salt is a secret weapon against slippery, icy roads. It's not just any salt, but the same kind you might find on your dinner table. By spreading salt, we help keep everyone safe during the winter. This simple act can prevent countless accidents. Let's dive in and learn more about how this works. Driving on snowy or icy roads can be very dangerous. The risk of skidding and losing control is high. When snow falls, it can make the road slippery and hard to drive on. This is especially true when the snow compacts and turns into ice. If the temperature is below freezing, the snow turns into ice, making driving conditions even more treacherous. Ice is much harder to see and can catch drivers off guard. This is where salt comes to the rescue. It's a simple yet effective solution. Salt is amazing because it lowers the freezing point of water. This process is called freezing point depression. This means that when salt is sprinkled on icy roads, it prevents the ice from forming or melts the existing ice. The salt dissolves into the water, creating a brine that has a lower freezing point than pure water. This creates a safer driving surface for cars and trucks, reducing the risk of accidents and making winter travel much safer for everyone. So, how does salt work its magic on ice? It's a fascinating process that involves some basic principles of chemistry and physics. It's all about the chemistry. Salt, or sodium chloride, interacts with water molecules in a unique way. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the point where water molecules form a solid structure. When you add salt to water, it dissolves and forms a special mixture called brine. This brine disrupts the formation of ice crystals. Brine has a lower freezing point than pure water. This means it can remain in liquid form at temperatures where pure water would freeze. This means that brine can stay liquid even when the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius. It effectively lowers the freezing point of the water. When salt is scattered on icy roads, it mixes with a little bit of water from the ice itself. This interaction is crucial for the melting process. This creates brine, which melts the surrounding ice and prevents more ice from forming. This is why salt is so effective in keeping our roads safe during winter. Did you know that there are different types of salt used for de-icing roads? Rock salt, also known as sodium chloride, is the most common type. It's effective and affordable. However, in extremely cold temperatures, rock salt isn't as effective. Other types of salt, like calcium chloride and magnesium chloride, work better in colder temperatures. These salts are more expensive than rock salt, but they can be necessary for keeping roads safe in very cold climates. Some places even use a mixture of different salts to maximize their overall effectiveness. While salt is crucial for safe winter roads, it's not without its drawbacks. It's important to use it responsibly to minimize its negative effects. Salt can have significant negative impacts on the environment, affecting both land and water ecosystems. When salt dissolves in water, it creates brine, a highly concentrated salt solution, which can run off into nearby soil and water sources, contaminating them. This runoff can harm plants and animals, disrupting local ecosystems and biodiversity. Salt can also corrode metal surfaces, leading to damage in cars, bridges, and roads, which can be costly to repair. Scientists and engineers are exploring alternative solutions to de-ice roads. These include using sand, beet juice, or even cheese brine. These alternatives can be less harmful to the environment. Finding the right balance between road safety and environmental protection is crucial for sustainable winter road maintenance. By understanding the science behind road salt and using it responsibly, we can make informed decisions. This way, we can ensure safer roads during winter while minimizing our impact on the environment, creating a win-win situation for everyone.